Good morning, sir.
Morning. Can you describe exact requirement and what are you doing?
Yes, sir, sure. Actually, I'm working in a healthcare industries in Coimbatore for last 7 years. Uh, Last 6 years, I'm working in a non-waste process. It's working. I want to handle with the background processes like adjudication, some kind of verifications. And currently, I'm moving into a voice process. So it's a US healthcare process. So I want to communicate with US industries clients. So in that mean, I need to improve my communications and probe skills to how to prop them in some kind of questions and how to communicate easily with them. So that's my main goal in this. I'm studied at my BCA in Coimbatore, KG College of Arts and Science. 2014 I completed that. After 2015 I joined it. Um, so completed nearly 6 years completed and 7 days is currently running. And I'm getting a chance to go some kind of abroad to in this job. So if I want to that, I want to improve my skill. That's the main thing. And I'm noticing while I'm speaking, I have missing some kind of grammars. I'm not able to get it. And I have also some mother tongue fluency in my communications. That also I want to overcome.
Sure. Definitely we'll address that. So before that, let me share a PPT with you and I will discuss few things and later I'll address the things which you have told me.
Sure, sure, sure.
So what do you see on a screen is it visible?
Yeah, it's me, sir.
Yeah. So actually, I hope you don't have a starting problem or a stage fear. You are able to speak, but the thing is, you don't have a grammar. Actually, I mean, what you said is you don't have a grammar. Okay, so many people they suppress their knowledge due to these reasons. These are obstacles to learn the language. Okay, the first
Okay.
one is fear, like they might feel like others might comment me, they might laugh at me like that. You don't have that problem, and the lack of awareness, no problem. Fear of grammar, you know. The fourth one is MTI. I haven't seen MTI with you because your fluency is okay. Not telling that it is very good, but okay. So you have a fluency, no problem. And fifth one is lack of practice. Okay, so even though if we discuss the methods, if you don't practice, you are not going to get the thing. So I'll discuss the methods. What you have to do is after completion of the class, also you have to spend a few minutes for that. And when you have a free time, I mean not immediately, but when you have a free time, you need to go through it and you need to learn something. I'll be in touch with you through WhatsApp. You have to send me a recorded voices and I'll assist you. And I'll support through WhatsApp like required material and all. Okay, next, how did we learn our native language? Can you describe how did we learn our native language? What is your native language?
My native language is Malayalam.
Yeah, that's great.
Actually, that's I learned from my home, my parents and my relatives. While listening them, while communicate with them, I learned that language.
Yeah, that's so. So how did you learn? Is see generally why I want to ask you this is there is one important skill to learn the language. That is the reason I'm asking the same question for everyone. See, when we were children, okay, what you said is correct. When we were children, they start talking with, they start communicating with even a baby, days baby, they start communicating, especially the grandparents. If you observe them, they are very good communicators. They communicate with the children in a very good manner, actually. So they start talking with the children later as the main role of development of language is taken by mother takes a lot of care about the children. Okay, so like that we start listening at the time of days baby. Okay, maybe at the 3 months or 6 months you start reacting to the
Okay,
sounds, and maybe at the age of 7 months or 8 months you start producing few sounds. At the age of 10 or 12 months, few people are able to speak few words. Okay, I'm not telling all, but few people they are able to produce few sounds and also a two-letter words, three-letter words. few of them it may be 2 years or 3 years. So like that, we heard so many things from the parents, neighbors, and the environment. Okay, through that we have learned our language. So you might have seen that few people that they are not able to speak and they are not able to listen. That depends on a sign. Okay, so what is their initial problem is they are unable to listen it. They are unable to listen it. If their parents doesn't recognize in a initial stages, what happens is later they turn into dumb and deaf. Initially, their problem only listening, but what happens is if they don't identify in a certain age, they become like a dumb and deaf. So there's a problem. Okay, so importance is there for a listening. So there are a lot of listening related activities. We spend around 8 sessions for listening. Okay, around 8 sessions for listening here. So next, should we learn English grammar to speak in English? It's you can tell me. I hope you have answered my question, and still I'm expecting answer.
Uh, I think not at all, because in startup of speaking, we are not interested to learn grammar. So I'm not sure that that's not must.
See, actually, many people, even I have seen videos that it is not important to learn the grammar. See, if it is your native language, no need to learn the grammar. But when you are going to learn the other language, definitely you need to learn the basics of the grammar. It is not important to learn the all aspects of the grammar in a
No.
starting. Okay, but you have to learn the basics of grammar, which helps to frame a question, which helps to frame a basic sentence. That is very important. If you don't know how to question, how can you communicate with others? Okay, that is important to learn the basic grammar question. Okay, and next, the final thing is which you need to start. Okay, is you need to start. Our brain got programmed to think in our native language. What we do is we just translate word to word and we start speaking. But what
Yes.
you have to do is you need to start thinking in English. You need to reprogram your brain. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is you need to take a chart and you have to write that with the think in English letters and paste it somewhere. And you can watch whenever you have a free time. You will definitely take a look at them, and it reminds you that you have to think in English. Once you started to think in English, nobody is going to comment you, nobody is going to identify your mistakes. So automatically your subconscious mind will improve a lot. Based on that, your flow of words, your spoken English, and your pronunciation will improve a lot. So this is what my um, demo. Okay, and if you have any more doubts, you can ask me. I'll cover. See, there are activities related to vocabulary development. There are activities related to pronunciation development, and there are activities related to spoken. And in a 25 sessions, uh, 8 sessions is based on a grammar, and 8 sessions is based on a um, listening activities, because listening has very important role to speak in English, to develop your language. So 8 sessions. So remaining sessions for vocabulary and spoken skills and reading, pronunciation, everything. So like that, I have designed a course for this, and I trained more than 10,000 aspirants. My students are working in BPOs and many sectors. Okay, I worked in 4 states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so my students are in Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and most of the places, like more than 30 places. Okay,
Okay.
this is what my experience totally. I have 14 plus years of experience in teaching. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me, and I'll support through WhatsApp, and I'll provide the material which is required to learn the language. Okay.
Sure, sure. At what time it will be as the class will
So
be
right
class?
now I have a slot of 6 to 7 p.m. in the evening.
6 to 7 p.m. only, right? Okay. Okay, sir. In morning, it's any possible?
So morning means I need to take around. One more thing. I just want to tell you that you should be flexible with the timing. Sometimes I'll get a USC classes. Actually, I used to take classes for years. Okay.
Okay, okay,
I have
okay.
students from Spain, USA, and different states of different states of India also. And this is Arun, academic secretary of International English Language Teachers Association and ambassador for AP Andhra Pradesh also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I have a few students from USA also. You should be flexible with the timings, and I take only 5 sessions in a week. It is not possible for me to take 6 sessions or 7 sessions in a week, 5 sessions. And a Friday, it is not possible for me. If it is evening, Friday is not possible for me. If it is
Okay.
morning session, I need to start by 6:30 because from 7:30 to 8:30, I have another student who is
Yeah.
HR, and I am
Uh,
teaching her business English. I'm
okay.
teaching her a business English, and it is not related to Suleka. That is my personal. I can't club you both. And
Okay.
also, she has progressed 1 month. She has progressed 1 month, and she is going
Okay.
to enroll for a second month also within 3 days. So it is not possible for you to mix with that
Okay.
person. Okay, she is HR from Mangalore. Okay,
Sure. I'll
6:30 to
understand.
7:30. Is it
I'll
okay for you?
understand the. Yeah, I am okay with it. If it's 6 to 7 also, I'm okay, sir. If it's possible to you, no
Yeah,
problem.
let me think. If it is possible, I'll take 6 to 7, or otherwise 6:30 to 7:30.
Yeah, sure. Cause
Yeah, that is what
after
my
I
request is, to be flexible with the time. Maybe we can start little early and we can start
in
little
weekend
late.
I'm able to flexible with times. In weekdays, actually, my shift hours will be not at a correct way because I'm in a lead position. So I want to log in morning 8 o'clock, and when I will be log out around evening at 9 p.m. or
Oh my
10.
God.
That's why, because sometime we have a client meeting at the evening only at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Because at the US time we will be want to fix that client meeting, and that time we want to have a meeting at around the evening 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So that's why I'm not easy to avoid this class. Also, I'm not want to club
I'll do
both.
one thing. I'll do one thing. 4 days I'll schedule on weekdays, and Sunday will take maybe or 10 or 11 a.m.
No
Okay.
problem, sir. In Sunday at any time I'll be available. Saturday and
Yeah.
Sunday I'm able to available in any time.
So okay, no problem. Then no problem. I'll schedule like that only. Okay. I will go with
Okay,
Sunday. Okay. Okay. Any
okay,
more doubts regarding this? And I take only 45 to 50 minutes of session. I'm not going to take 1 hour sessions because I
okay.
need to inform you. Okay,
Sure,
so it
sure,
is
sure.
difficult for us, not only for me but also you. It see,
Understand,
40 minutes
understand.
is ideal strength, ideal duration for a class.
Yeah, so virtually we will be continue 45 minutes. It will be okay for me.
Okay, so actually for the month, first month it is 4,250 rupees. Okay, you need
Okay,
to
okay.
pay around 100 or 150 rupees extra for a tax or something, and Shashank will contact you. You can proceed for a payment. We'll start the classes from tomorrow.
Sure, sure, sure. I'll touch with Chesra.
Any more doubts?
No, sir. Totally, I have a 25 sessions in this, right?
25 sessions. As I mentioned that around 8 sessions for listening skills and a
Okay,
few sessions for reading. Because if you develop your reading, automatically there is a chance of pronunciation. Because in a reading, you are able to develop your pronunciation. Automatically, it helps you to speak. Okay, so there are few
okay,
sessions for reading. Okay, and there are few sessions for conversations. Okay, and there are few sessions for a basic grammar, which I discussed you. Okay,
okay,
that is which is very essential.
okay, okay, so, okay, sure.
Okay, uh, if you don't have a doubt, I'll end the session.
Yes, sir. I will complete it with the questions.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.